Hey guys, another unboxing here. I figured out of 6 boxes, I got 2 1-of-1s. What's the odds of getting some more 1-of-1s? I got 2 more boxes from Target. It was on Cyber Monday. It was a special sale, so got a really good price for these. So this one came in excellent condition. That would grade a Gem Mint 10. Just a box alone. So, I guess we'll do that one first. Let's see what we got in there. So, I feel like baseball is finally dying down a little bit. Eventually, I'll start getting back into basketball. Here is our 7 packs. Doesn't look like it's damaged from the box, so far so good. All right. If you guys notice, back there is Dale's RV from The Walking Dead. One of my favorite shows. All right. Max Scherzer. Gary Sanchez. Every time I see this card, I always think it's an Aaron Judge. It looks just like an Aaron Judge. Salvador Perez. Steven Strasburg. Tyler Glasnow. Speak of the devil. Here's Aaron Judge. Rod Carew. Reprints. These are not numbered. Jordan Montgomery. Derek Fisher. Funny thing about this, I always think about the Lakers' Derek Fisher. It's just me. Anthony Alford. Brett Phillips. George Bonifacio. Ian Happ right in the back. All right. GIF. I'm not going to try that one. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Joey Votto reprints. Sean Newcomb. Ian Happ. All right, there's either a refractor or an autograph here. I'm gonna save that for last. You can kind of tell by the thickness of that card in the middle. Jesse Winkler. Jeff Hoffman. Willie McCovey reprints. Jose Ramirez. Last pack. Yu Darvish. Bryce Harper rookie reprints. Another Derek Fisher. Gurriel. All right. Let's see. We can move that to the back. Mookie Betts, Clayton Kershaw, Antonio Senzatella. Wow, that was terrible. It's St. Louis. It's a rookie. And it's Paul DeJong. Numbered 194 of 250. All right. That's one box. Box 2. Let's go for it. Hoping for something awesome. That last pack that last box wasn't that great. Condition of it was not great either. This one's a little bit better. All right, let's go. Sam Travis right in the back. Christian Arroyo. Another Joey Votto reprints. Daniel Robertson, rookie. Sam Travis, rookie. Amir Garrett, rookie. Franklin Barreto, rookie. Yandy Diaz, rookie. Christian Arroyo, rookie. Feels like it's a rookie hot box so far. Nothing but rookies. Speak of rookies, Bellinger. Ronaldo Lopez, rookie. Ian Happ, rookie. I feel like there's a trend here. Willie McCovey and Bellinger, rookie. What's the odds of the rest of these being rookies? Alex Reyes, rookie. Streak is over. Bryce Harper. Dylan Betances. Nolan Arenado. George Springer. Ken Griffey, rookie reprint. Derek Fisher, rookie. So apparently they've got to press the stop button for printing Derek Fisher rookies. Got 3 of them. Corey Seager. 2 more packs. Still nothing, so Yu Darvish, Max Scherzer, Gurriel, rookie, Salvador Perez. All right, this hopefully it's gonna be something good. Gary Sanchez, Tyler Glasnow, Chris Bryant, Steven Strasburg. Looks like I got gypped in this box. No refractors, no autos. Guess my luck ran out with the last 6 boxes. So, guess the recap. Refractor. And there's a Bellinger in here. At least I got a Bellinger and a Aaron Judge, so it's better than nothing, I guess. All right, have a good one, guys.